Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to show you the Apex Legends mobile gameplay and the graphic settings and FPS drop test in the Mi Pad 5 tablet. Right now as you can see, this is a Mi Pad 5 tablet which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration, and which has got the Snapdragon 860 processor in it. And let's see how is the overall FPS is maintaining while demonstrating the Apex Legends mobile in this Mi Pad 5 tablet. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. Snapdragon 860 processor, and let's find out friends in this video overall what is the highest graphics you can actually play in this Mi Pad 5 tablet. So in case if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. So if you do have any other doubts as well, and if you want to know what are other phones which are supported with the Apex Legends with the highest graphics, try to go to my channel and try to go to the gaming channel. So there you can actually find all the videos which are uploaded regarding the Apex Legends mobile only, particularly in my gaming channel. Right, as you can see, finally it's done. Let me go to the quick tutorial what's the game is about. I'm trying to use a real-time FPS meter as well, so just to give a clear idea what's going on. So once after this tutorial, I'll try to start the match. Let's go back and start the match. Yes. So right now as you can see, friends, we are getting the gameplay as well. So we do have the option as well. So a lot of users, they did ask me to try the first person perspective. Let me to select that and let's start the match right now. Let's see. Let's find out how is the FPS gameplay going to be there maintaining in this device. So what is the real-time FPS statistics also? I'll try to use with the maximum settings in this device. So right now finally the Apex Legends mobile game is going to start. And the speaker is really fantastic. So which is really fantastic, the speaker quality in this tablet anyway. Right on the match is going to start at this moment exactly, and I'll try to show you what's going on. How is the real-time FPS also, how much it will be dropping? Let's find out. So finally friends, the map has been started successfully. Let me to select the extreme settings. Now you should be able to see the complete ultra settings have been enabled, and you can see the FPS we're getting about 60 FPS right now, right? Try to look at the FPS statistics, how much it is at this moment. .53 the FPS did drop, 53. 26 FPS, 8 FPS it dropped, 8 FPS. Oh my god, 35 as well. 53 finally, it's maintained. So right now you can see friends, the FPS how it's kind of maintaining at this moment. Now we are getting stable 56 FPS, not bad. You can see the real-time FPS, it's maintaining about 56 and 60, not bad. Regarding the real-time FPS, it's maintaining overall. Another squad is incoming. Let's go this way. You can see overall how it's kind of maintaining regarding FPS statistics. As you can see, not bad, which is a very good FPS it's maintaining. Overall, I did like the gameplay experience in this tablet, especially I did like. Definitely in this Mi Pad 5, it's very good. I'll definitely do the in-depth comparison as well again. So meanwhile, signing off, and this is a quick demonstration on the Mi Pad 5. And in case if you have any other questions about other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below. And also follow my gaming channel for more updates on other devices which phones are actually supported with this one. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching the quick demonstration on the Snapdragon 860 processor, which was able to handle pretty good and decent, not bad, in terms of the overall gameplay experience. You can see the clarity and the details, not bad, that's pretty good details, I would say. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video, and let's do more updates, and bye.